Hey guys! Good morning! So ngayon magbo-bike check tayo ng bagong setup natin sa MTB. Request ito ni Les Pagan kasi meron siya inassemble na bagong MTB. So shoutout po sa'yo. And also shoutout kay Jason Solera, yung solid commentator dito sa channel ever since nag-start ako dito. And also kay Realma. Hindi ko alam kung na-pronounce ko na maayos yung pangalan mo. Shoutout po sa'yo. So let's go! Samahan niyo akong mag-bike check. Frame is Colt Expedition made of alloy. Size is 27.5, small. Headset is Saturn, sealed bearing, integrated 44 mm. Spacers are carbon. Stem is Labici, 80 mm length, negative 25, OS 31.8. Handlebar is Labici, 710 mm length, flat straight bar. Fork is Epexon Stout Black, size is 27.5, air, non-tapered, quick release, with 100 mm travel, with adjustable rebound and manual lockout. Seat post is EC90, made of carbon. Size is 27.2 and length is 400 mm. Saddle is EC90, also made with carbon and leather. Grip, Cole silicone. Brake set is Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brake. Rotor are Sagnit floating rotor with carbon design. Size is 160 mm. Crankset is Shimano Deore M6000 2x. Smallest chainring have 28 teats and the largest chainring have 38 teats. Sprocket is Shimano Deore M6000 10-speed. Smallest plate have 11 teats and the largest plate have 42 teats. Chain is Shimano 10-speed. Pedals are Shimano SPD PDME 700. Bottom bracket is Shimano BB52. Shifter are Shimano Deore M6000. Front and rear derailleur, both Shimano Deore M6000 with 2x10 speed. RD also include manual clutch adjustment. Tire, both Maxxis Ardent Trace, size is 27.5 2.2 with 3C max speed, tubeless ready, and EXO protection. Both rims are U28, size is 27.5, tubeless ready, 32 holes. Tire size is around 2.0 to 2.2. Spokes are pillar triple butted. Size is 27.5. Nipples are brass nipples of pillar. Front and rear hubs are Weapon Savage Black, 6x3 pulse, 9mm quick release, have 32 holes, bolt and cassette type, and sealed bearing. So that's it mga kapatid. If ever meron kayong suggestion, comment down below. And also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Keep safe everyone and ride safe mga kapatid.